Good afternoon friends, my name is Faisal Bagwala and my subject is Introductions to Accounting. Now today I have discussed a wonderful topic is ledger posting. Before this lecture, we are getting the idea about of journal entry. What is journal entry? In accounting cycles also we are discussed. In accounting cycles there is a first is transactions. These transactions are converted into journal entry. Now after converted into journal, they are converted into the ledger posting. So in the ledger posting, in that situations, you are whatever you are generalize these transactions, you are generalize these transactions into ledger posting. So ledger is of each and individual like real, personal or nominal. There is a three types of account: personal, real and nominal. Each and individuals there is an account. So in that accounts you are there, each and individual accounts are there, it is known as a ledger. So first is accounting cycles, transactions, general, ledger posting, then trial balance, profit and loss, trading account, profit and loss, balance sheets. It is a accounting cycles. Now our next topic is, now we are discuss our second lecture. Before general lecture we are discuss about general, and now next is ledger posting. What is ledger? We are discuss this. Ledger is a main book of account in which various accounts of personal, real, nominal nature are opened and maintained. I already discussed that each and individual accounts are there in ledger. So it is all accounts like personal, like Mohan accounts. Real, it is known as a cash accounts. Nominal, it is salary accounts are also there. It is known as a nominal accounts. In nominal, expense and incomes are there. In general, as all business transactions are recorded on chronological order, it is very difficult to obtain all transactions pertaining to one head of account together at one place. Means general, each and individual transactions you are recorded in general, it is very difficult to maintain. So in that situations, what we do? We are doing a ledger posting. So it is very easy to get the idea or the balance of each and individual accounts are there. So we are posting into the ledger. Now a ledger account may be defined as a summary statement of all transactions relating to personal asset, expense or income or gain or loss which have taken place during a specified period shown on their net effect ultimately. Means whatever transactions of the journal are there, we are posting into the ledger, and the ultimate record, ultimately whatever the specified period or there are, we are getting this ultimately from net effects. Now it is main advantages of accounting is ledger posting. Now this is the examples of journalize the following transactions in the book of Shankar and Company. Journal entry, there is a started business, deposit, purchase, all that. This is the sums we are calculate, cash, capital, bank. That is a generalized transactions. In these generalized transactions we are posting into the ledger. Now how to post these transactions into the ledger? First of all, we are highlight each and individual entry or each and individual account. First of all, we are highlight. In that situations, cash is first type. First is account cash. Now what types of accounts we are opening? So in that situation we are show that this is the cash account we are open, capital account we are open, bank account we are open, purchases account we are open, Kamal account, Sriram account, sales account, Hamid account, Bharat account, salary account, Prem account, drawing account and Hanif account. We are preparing these types, these ledger in our accounting book, and we are open these all account books and we are close these ledger on after the 1 month period. Now first of all, we are going to the move on to the, this is the first cash account. Now we are moving to the journal entry. First entry is cash. June 2014 June 1st, cash account debit to capital account 60,000. Now in this we are first going to the cash account and after we are going into the capital account. In cash account there is a debit sides are there. First of all, we are shown that this entry into the accounts. How we are doing this entry into the accounts? This is the cash accounts. Like there is a debit, DR and credit. Date particular ledger folio rupees, date particular ledger folio and rupees. This is the specimens of also in ledger. Now this is the cash account. Now the entry is cash account debit to capital account credit. Now in cash account we are preparing cash account. So cash entry is debit side, but we are taken entry to capital account because in cash account we cannot written here is also cash. So in debit sides we are written, credit sides in generalized, whatever credit sides are there we are written in account of debit sides to capital account 60,000 rupees. This is a first entry, June 2014, June 1st. Now this entry in cash side, debit side. Now next entry is credit sides. In credit side there is a capital side. So we are moving to the capital side, capital account. Now capital accounts are credit sides. So we are written by cash account because we are maintain capital. So we are whatever items are debit sides on capital entry, we are putting here is by cash account 60,000 rupees. Now next, what is our next transactions we are showing that. Now next transactions are 2014 June 2 bank account debit to cash account. Now we are moving to the bank account and also move on to the cash account. In bank account we are written like to cash account on debit side, and cash account we are written by bank account. Now what is the entry is there, we are going to the check it. First is bank account. Bank account, in bank account we are debit sides, we are written to cash account 30,000 rupees. Now move on to the cash account. Cash account credit side we are written in by bank account. What is the cash accounts? By bank account 2014 June 2 by bank account 30,000 rupees. Now what is the next entry is our, we are so that now our next entry 2014 June 4 purchase account debit to Kamal account. Now we are opening purchase accounts. In purchase accounts debit sides we are written to Kamal account 10,000 rupees, and in Kamal account we are written credit sides by purchase account 10,000 rupees. We show this entry into the Kamal and purchase both accounts. What is the entry is? Now first is purchase accounts. Purchase account debit sides we are written to Kamal account 10,000 rupees. Dates June 2014 for, and purchase, after purchase we are move on to the Kamal account. In Kamal account credit sides we are written by purchase account 10,000 rupees. It is credit sides. Now what is our next transactions? We are move on to the next transactions. Now 2014 June 6 Sriram account debit to cash account 5,000. Now first in we are written Sriram account debit sides to cash account 5,000 rupees, and in Sriram in cash account we are written credit sides by Sriram accounts. Now we are show this entry into the laser posting also. Now this is the Sriram accounts. In Sriram accounts debit sides we are written to cash account 5,000 rupees. Now we are move on to the cash account. In cash account debit sides credit sides they are written by Sriram accounts. We show this entry also in. Now cash accounts. In cash accounts we are written debit sides to sales account 20,000 rupees June 8. In sales account we are written cash accounts in debit in credit sides. What is the entry we have checked that in sales account. Now this is the sales account credit sides by cash account 20,000 rupees. It is 20,000 June 8. Now we are move on to the next journal transactions. What is the next journal transactions are there? Okay, June 12 2014 June 12 Hamid account debit to sales account. Now we are open Hamid account also. So Hamid accounts, in Hamid accounts we are written debit sides to sales account. In sales accounts we are written credit sides by Hamid account. We show this entry into the laser also. First move on to the Hamid accounts. Hamid accounts debit sides to sales account 5,000 rupees, and into the Hamid accounts after Hamid we are moving into the sales account. What in sales accounts there is a credit sides written by Hamid account 5,000 rupees. Now next entry, what is our next entry? Okay, now next entry is June 15 purchase account debit to Bharat account. Same transactions are already we discussed. Purchase and purchase accounts we are also already discussed this. Purchase account, in purchase accounts we are written debit sides to Bharat account. In Bharat account credit sides we are written by purchase account 7500 rupees. Now we are move on to the first is purchase accounts. What is purchase accounts there? These the purchase accounts are there. Debit sides to Bharat account 7500, dates are written in Bharat accounts. The credit sides we are written by purchase accounts. We saw also these transactions. Now move on to the Bharat accounts. This is the Bharat accounts by purchase account 7500, credit sides are written, date June 15. Now next transactions, what is our next transactions are there? We are showing that June 18, 2014 June 18, salary account debit to cash account. Now in first transactions in salary accounts debit sides are written to cash account 4000, and in cash accounts credit sides are written by salary accounts. We show these transactions entry into the first is salary. We are opening the salary account also. This is the salary accounts. In debit sides they are written to date are written 2014 June 18, particular is rupees to cash account 4000 rupees. Now this is the debit sides of salary entry, salary accounts. Now move on to the cash accounts. Cash accounts credit sides we are written in credit sides by salary account. We show the cash accounts. Now this is the cash accounts 2014 June 18 by salary account 4000 rupees. Now we are going to the next transactions. What is our next transactions are there? June 20, 2014 June 20, cash account debit to Prem account. Means Prem is given cash to us. So cash account debit sides, in debit sides of cash we are written to Prem account, and in Prem account we are written credit sides by cash accounts. Now we show this entry into the ledger. Now this is the cash account. We are written 2014 date June 20 to Prem account 2500 rupees. Now we are moved to the Prem account. In Prem account credit sides are written by cash accounts. Now we are going to the Prem account. These the Prem accounts are there. 2014 June 20 by cash account 2500 rupees credit sides. Now what is our next general transactions are there? We check that. Okay, 20 is completed. June 28. Now drawing account debit to cash account 1000. Now drawing is a taken money from our own businesses. Means proprietor or owner is taken money from his own businesses. So it is known as a drawing account. We are also open drawing accounts to cash accounts. In drawing accounts we are written in debit sides to cash account, and in cash account credit sides we are written by drawings account 1000 rupees. We show this transaction entry into the first is drawing accounts. Now this is the drawing accounts. Drawing accounts debit sides is written 2014 June 28 to cash account 1000 rupees, and in cash accounts credit sides are written by drawing accounts. We show this transactions entry in cash accounts also. Now this is the cash accounts 2014 June 28 by drawing accounts 1000 rupees. Now what is our next transactions? Last transactions are there. 2014 June 13 Hanif account debit to bank account 4000. Check given to Hanif. We are given check to Hanif. So in that transactions Hanif account debit sides we are written to bank account, and in Hanif accounts in bank account we are written credit sides by Hanif accounts. We show these transactions also. First is in Hanif accounts we are showing that. Okay, now this is the Hamid accounts to Hamid accounts. First is debit sides to bank account 4000 rupees, and now we are moving to the cash account bank account. In bank account what the credit side is written to Hamid accounts. Now we are showing in the bank accounts also. This is the bank account. In bank account we are written by Hanif account 4000 rupees June 13. This is the last transaction 4000 rupees. Now it is after completed all journal entry. First come on onto the first ledger. Each and individual ledgers are closed, and we are now first we are closing the cash accounts. Cash accounts which sides are debit sides are more than credit sides, or credit sides is more than debit sides. So in that situations I think debit side is more, 60,000, 20,000, 2,500. So the total is 82,500. Now there is a 30,000, 5,000, 4,000 and 1,000. Now these items, this amount is deducted from 82,500. 82,500 deducted this amount. So the balance is there by balance carry down. Last we are closing all accounts. So in that situation, by balance carry down 42,500 rupees. If this account is debit sides are open to balance brought down 42,500 rupees. Now we are closing on to the next capital accounts. In capital accounts, there is only credit sides is one transactions are there. So we are closing these accounts 60,000, 60,000. So there is all amounts are in balance carry down. So 2014 June 13 to balance carry down 60,000 rupees. Now next close is bank account. There is a bank account, total debit side is more, I think. Debit side 30,000 rupees. So in debit sides, credit sides only 4,000 rupees. So 30,000 minus 4,000 by balance carry down 26,000 rupees. Now next close purchase accounts. In purchase you are so that only debit sides are there, credit sides is not anything there. So debit side plus is close 17,500, 17,500. Now the balance carry down 17,500. Now next account is Kamal account. Kamal account is also that debit sides are not anything entry in debit sides, only credit sides are given 10,000, total is 10,000, 10,000. So there is all 10,000 is balance carry down 10,000 rupees. Now next Sriram account. Sriram accounts you show that only debit sides are there. In debit sides we are total is 5,000, here is also 5,000. Now no balance are in credit sides deducted from 5,000. So the balance carry down is 5,000 rupees. Now next is sales account. You seen that there is no entry in debit sides. So in only in credit side. So calculate first total is debit side, credit sides 20,000, 5,000. So the total is 25,000, 25,000. So no debit sides entry. So all balance are carried down by 25,000. Next is Hamid account. In Hamid account only debit sides are there. So debit sides 5,000, both sides is 5,000. There is no credit sides entry in there. So 5,000 is a balance carry down. Now Bharat account, same thing is also there. Bharat accounts are credit side 7,500. No entry in debit side. So balance carry down 7,500 rupees. Now salary account. Salary account is only debit sides are there 4,000 rupees. So total is 4,000, 4,000. So balance carry down is 4,000 rupees. Now Prem account. Prem accounts are same that credit sides is more than debit sides 2,500, 2,500, 2,500. Now balance carry down, there is no debit sides any entry. So balance carry down is 2,500 rupees. Now next is drawing accounts. Drawing accounts only debit sides one entry 1,000 total, 1,000 total, credit sides no entry. So 1,000 is balance carry down for 1,000 rupees. Now Hamid account, last account is Hamid account. Debit side is 4,000 rupees, no credit side entry is there. So 4,000 total, 4,000 total by balance carry down 4,000 rupees. So thank you so much. This is the basic about of laser posting.